Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fajar Khairul Anwar. My student is 772 418. My class is 723A01. Here I will read a speech about my view on President Prabowo Subianto and free nutrition meal missions. Good afternoon, distinguished colleagues, respected leaders, and fellow Indonesians. The air in our nation is thick with a sense of change and anticipation following the inauguration of our new leader, President Prabowo Subianto. Today, I wish to offer my perspective, not just on the new president, but especially on his flagship vision, the Free Nutrition Meal Program. How do I view President Prabowo and these missions? I see it as a bold, ambitious, and fundamentally humanitarian endeavor. It is a recognition of a deep sense trust that the future property of Indonesia is not one natural resource on infrastructure alone, but on the health and intellect of every single child. The President's commitment to delivering nutritious meals, especially of children in the most remote and underserved Pelosok regions, is a profound statement. It acknowledges that inequality in nutrition is an inequality in opportunity. By prioritizing the fight against stunting and malnutrition for the elite, he is addressing the root cause of many of our nutritional development challenges. However, the great vision is not without its monumental challenge. The scale of this program is apprehended. The logistic of delivering millions of fresh, safe, and balanced meals daily across an archipelago of 17,000 islands are staggering. It requires unparalleled coordination between central and local governments, mobilizing of our farming and local supply chains, and massive investment in kitchen infrastructure and distribution. My opinion, therefore, is one of cautious optimism and full support for the intent. We must acknowledge the political will and the moral urgency driving this program. Yet, we must also insist on accountability transparency, and patient implementation. But by the healthy smile and improved academic performance of the children in the functions feelings. The free nutrition meal program is more than a social safety net. It is a strategy for a golden generation. Let us rally behind this mission, hold our leader accountable to the highest standards and work together, governments, private sector, and community to turn this promise into a delicious, healthy reality for all Indonesia children. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fajar Khairul Anwar. My name 722 418. My class 72 3A01. Okay, I will explain the topic about the question word. Introduction. Meaning of question word. Question word in English also called question word are words used to ask question and seek specific information consisting of 9 words: what, where, when, why, which, who, whom, which, and how. Purpose of the question word. The purpose of question word in English is to obtain specific information by asking questions about people, friends, times, research, or other things. Question words such as who, what, where, when, why, which, and how are fundamental tools for clear and effective communication, but in direct and indirect question. Question word function. What is the function of a WH question? WH questions are used to ask for information, requiring the other person to provide a clear answer. In English, they are also known as open question. The purpose of question word in English is to obtain specific information by asking questions about people, friends, times, research of other things. Question words such as who, what, when, why, which, and how are fundamental tools for clear and effective communication, but in direct and indirect question. The formula for an interrogative sentence is question word plus auxiliary verb or to be plus subject plus main verb plus object and complement plus interrogative. There are several specific examples, namely asking about the subject, for example, who eats rice, or asking about the object, for example, what do you study, and other. Next slide. All kinds of question word. Number 1. What? What is used to ask about things? Yep. As we know, what is a question word that function to ask about something or something related to someone. Example of it used in sentence. What are you doing? What is your name? What do you think about the movie? Number 2. Where? If you want to find out information about the location, purpose, and position of someone or something. The current question word to use it is where. Example of interrogative sentence. Where do you live? Where is your mom? Where is my cell phone? Number 3. Why? This question word function to find research on cause. In this case, the research can be positive or negative. To determine the background of something. Examples include, why do you love me? Why did it happen? Why are you crying? Number 4. When? Of course, when is used to ask about the time of something. This question word is closely related to the adverb of time, which and be used to answer this type of question. Example of using the question word when are: when do you finish in college? When does the taxi arrive? When did she leave? Next slide. Number 5. Who is a question word in English used to ask about the identity of a person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Who help use in the TV the relevant person or subject in a context. For example, who is he? Who are your parents? Who won the game? Number 6. How? Use how when asking about manner or process, condition, and quality. This question word also applies to asking about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity. Example sentence: how can you explain this problem? Please tell us. How was your exam? How far is Siem Reap for Phnom Penh? Number 7. Which is a question word in English that help use cause, between several options. Its function is to ask for information about a particular choice from a number of available options to assist us in decision making, or to identify a specific object or person in a particular situation, or context. Example sentence: which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which book are you reading right now? Which movie did you watch last night? Number 8. Whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom help us determine the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. Example sentence: to whom did you give the present? Whom did she invite to the party? Whom do you trust the most? Number 9. Was. Was is a question word in English used to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. Example sentence: whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose idea was it organize the event? Example dialogue asking about hobbies and activities. What do you do in your free time? I like reading books. How about you? I play soccer. When do you usually play? I play on Sundays. Solution. Question words are very important to communicating and requesting specific information that cannot be answered simply with a yes or no. They help us understand sentence structure correctly. Thank you the lecturers and friends who have listened to my presentation. I hope the material I brought is easy to understand. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.